Real estate can build massive wealth. But what if you could invest in property without actually buying one? In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 Indian REITs to invest in 2026. Reliable, regulated, and designed for smart investors like you. Before we start, a quick recap. REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trusts, pool investor money to buy and manage income-generating real estate. Think of it as mutual funds for property. You earn through dividends and capital appreciation. First on the list, Embassy Office Parks REIT. India's first and largest listed REIT, with over 45 million sq ft of commercial assets. Strong tenant list. Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Consistent dividend yield of around 6-7%. Next is Mindspace Business Parks REIT. Backed by the K. Raheja Group, it owns premium office spaces across Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai. It's known for stable occupancy and sustainable design. Third, Brookfield India REIT. Backed by global investor Brookfield Asset Management. This REIT has A-grade assets across Noida, Gurugram, and Mumbai. Strong institutional backing adds reliability. At number 4, Nexus Select Trust REIT. India's first retail REIT. Backed by Blackstone. Owning shopping malls like Select City Walk, Nexus Kormangala, and Seawoods Grand Central. A great play on India's retail growth story. And finally, DLF REIT. Expected to list in 2026. This one is worth watching. DLF's strong commercial portfolio and brand credibility could make it a game changer in the REIT space. Here's a quick comparison. Yields, sectors, and risk profile side by side. Embassy and Brookfield lead in dividend stability, while Nexus Select offers growth potential. So there you have it, the top 5 Indian REITs for 2026. Remember, REITs can diversify your portfolio with stable returns. Which one are you watching this year? Comment below and subscribe for more smart investing videos from RicherGuide.com.